The next performer is one of the most beautiful English performers that I've seen in a very, very long time. She's a very dear friend and she comes from this place जहाँ से आपको usually visa लगता है आने के लिए, करजत कहा जाता है उसे. वो करजत से खास आई है. Can we give it up for Tanha?
Thank you so much, Parth, for always mentioning my town. Okay, so this is my second time performing here. So when I found out I was coming back here, I kept wondering, what do I recite the second time? Not something rehearsed over the years, something recent, something that still remembers how it felt. I reread a lot of my old pieces, but nothing said this is it. So I decided, what if I write about the second times? Because first times gets all the applauses. They are dramatic, they are brave, they are celebrated. The first times are also clumsy. They are experiments pretending to be milestones. The first time is courage, the second time is clarity. So tonight, this isn't about beginnings. It's about what comes after we have survived those beginnings. My first time here was precious, but the mic and the spotlight weren't so gracious. It was less about the poem, more about the distance between my mouth and this mic. Too close and I heard the mic say, "Hey, don't shout." And too far, my ears whispered, "Even I can't hear you." The light was so bright, it erased all your faces. I got nervous, my tongue knew it skipped a few lines. Just that, my face and that camera showed no traces. But this heart has lived through enough firsts and seconds to know this much. My second time is better than my first. To name a few, the first compliment makes me blush, the second makes me believe it. My first recipe needs a YouTube video, the second needs instinct. My first solo trip was about running away. The second was about understanding the pace. The first fear freezes me, the second teaches where courage lives. The first breakup is brutal. The second teaches what not to tolerate. The first success feels lucky, the second feels earned. The first draft wants to impress, the second knows which lines to erase. The first time on a stage you hope you belong, the second time the light feels less harsh. The mic stops feeling like a test. The silent isn't empty. The second time you know where to stand. So no, this isn't my comeback. It's my arrival. Because first times are about proving you can try. Second times are about knowing why you stayed. And maybe that's why the world glorifies the first. Because the second doesn't need applause. It already knows it belongs here. You welcome me the first time, the second time I choose to stay. And if I return for the third, well, I'll come back saying, third time's the charm. Thank you.
I think we can give a louder applause. I think it was a beautiful, beautiful piece. Tanha stays in Karjat and she does the most creative job there is. She goes to these hostels and these places and she paints them. Yeah, and like good painting, not the kind that वो दो घर एक पहाड़ एक दो कौवे एक नदी ऐसा वो सब नहीं. But yeah, very cool. Such a beautiful perspective, right? Second times. We don't usually sing about second times. We usually also don't think about the last times, right? The final time. मतलब जब हम जी रहे हैं तब तो हम आखिरी चीज के बारे में